Once there was a wealthy man named Mohanlal. He had a son named Suresh. Mohanlal was very affectionate to his son. Affectionate means loving. He fulfilled almost every wish of the boy, but the boy was never really happy. He always kept a sad face. This disturbed his father very much. Disturbed means worried. One day a man came to their house. He said he was a magician and he could give a demonstration then and there. Suresh's father said, "If you are a magician, try it on my son Suresh and make him laugh." In the meantime, Suresh also arrived. The magician said, "I can certainly make your son laugh, or at least bring a smile on his face." Mohanlal promised to reward the magician handsomely. The magician led Suresh to one corner of the room. There he wrote something on a white paper with a white chalk. He gave the candle to Suresh and said, "Light the candle and put it under the paper. Then read what is written on it." Suresh did as directed by the magician. The magician had written the following words: "Oh, what a joker-like face you wear! Be pleasant and give a smile." On seeing it, Suresh had a hearty laugh. He was changed altogether. After that, he did not have a sad look. He hummed some tune while doing his work. He looked happy and bright all the time. He carried out the wishes of his parents and teachers. Mohanlal is now very happy with his son. He was so pleased with the magician that he rewarded him sufficiently. Sufficiently means enough, and asked him to come and see his son at times. The magician was also happy to receive some valuable gifts from Mohanlal and promised to see him whenever he gets time. So students, do you know what you learned from this lesson? You learned to be happy, contented and active, and whatever you do with a cheerful heart. Okay? Now let's do the exercise given after the lesson. The question is, choose the correct answer. First one, Mohanlal had a son named Ramesh Suresh. So the correct answer is Suresh. Second one, Mohanlal was very affectionate to his wife, son. So the correct answer is son. Third one, Suresh had a hearty laugh cry. So correct answer is laugh. Fourth one, Mohanlal was pleased with the magician lawyer. Correct answer is magician. Now the question is, give the synonyms. Synonyms means same meaning words. So first one is given reached. Reached means arrived. Second one enough, and that means sufficient. Third one rich, wealthy. Fourth one loving, so it can mean affectionate. Fifth one delight, so that means happy. So now we come to the next question. Read and answer in short. The first question is, what was the wealthy man's name? So the wealthy man's name was Mohanlal. Second question, who came to Mohanlal's house one day? The answer is, a magician came to Mohanlal's house one day. Third question is, what did Suresh's father ask the magician to do? Answer is, Suresh's father asked the magician to make Suresh laugh. Fourth one, what did Mohanlal promise the magician? Answer is, Mohanlal promised the magician to reward handsomely. Fifth one, Why was the magician happy? The answer is the magician was happy to receive some valuable gifts from Mohanlal. Number 6. Give a suitable title to the passage. So your answer can be, this can be different from all of you. So here I have given Suresh and the magician. Now let's do the HOTS. What would you do in these situations? Put a tick. Your mother gave you a pen as gift. First, happily take the gift. Second, ask for better gift. Third, take the gift and give it to your friend. So in this situation, what should be your reaction? That is, happily take a gift and say thank you. Not that you ask, you make fuss that it is not good and give the gift to somebody else. Second one, you are feeling lonely and sad. Now what you will do? Do not talk to anyone. Play with your friends to feel happy and better. Go to sleep. So sometimes this happens that we are lonely and sad. So we should play with our friends to feel happy and better. Not that go to sleep. Now third one, your little sister is not well. Now what you should do? Tease her and make faces. Tell her to sleep. Read out stories for her. So in this case, what should be your ideal reaction? That read out stories for her because she is not keeping well. Now skill time. Read the sentence carefully and write yes or no. First one, I get upset easily. This happens to us usually, but the answer should be no. Second, I always do what I want to do, even if my elders disapprove of it. Sometimes we have the tendency of not listening to our elders, but we shouldn't be doing that. We should listen to our elders. So answer is no. Number 3, whenever I am in trouble, I always seek my elders' advice. So when you are in trouble, we should ask somebody to help. What should we do? So answer is yes. Then number 4, I get angry when my work is not done. So that is not the way to behave. Your answer is no. And fifth one, I enjoy being with happy people. Yes, so answer is correct. So all this HOTS and skill time, total marks is 4. So half mark for each question you can give if it is correct. Then we come to the activity time. Write 2 things that can make the world a happier place. So this can be different from all of you. So I have written helping others and second sharing with others. You can give 1 marks for the activity time and total question paper is of 20 marks. So you can see how many answers are right and calculate and put your marking in the comment box with your name. Thank you.